What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a brand new video. Today, guys, I am bringing you a very cool video. I know a lot of you been waiting for this type of video in a long time. So I thought, you know what? Let's bring the people what they want. And today I'm going to show you a strategy you can use to pass and get funded on your prop firm account, whatever prop firm account you'll be using, MFF, Ftmo. There's a lot of them. So this strategy is especially for prop firm accounts, and I'm gonna tell you exactly why. But before I jump straight into the video, guys, make sure you are subscribed to the channel if you enjoy my content like this. You won't miss out on any future uploads. Also, feel free to share and like the video if you enjoyed it. And if you are interested in learning the strategies I use, make sure to DM me privately on Telegram. You will have the link down in my video description. If you want to join the free signal group, link is also in the description. You can check out my website as well. And also follow me on IG if you want. You can find all those links in the video description. So yeah, if you will have any questions, make sure to drop them in the comment section down below. I will make sure to check all of your guys' questions and reply to all of them. So yeah, let's just get straight into the video. Today I'm going to show a scalping strategy you guys will use on the 1 minute using the rules I tell you. So now before I show you the strategy, I'm going to tell you exactly why this strategy should be used on the 1 minute, because on Ftmo, for example, on the live account, you won't be able to hold trades for long term because as you guys know, the Ftmo has the high impact news rule where you cannot trade when high impact news happen. That means that you cannot really hold trades for days. And that's why you should better look for a scalping strategy instead of a swing trading strategy. Okay, so that means you should trade more on the M15, on the M5, on the M1, or you could day trade. Okay, you could also day trade. You can also take day trading into consideration. But in my opinion, you should really look for a scalping method, a scalping strategy to use on your prop firm account, because like this, you'll be able to consistently make profits and be funded for long term. Whereas with swing trading, sometimes you'll get some bad weeks in a row with swing trading and you'll lose money, and this won't bring you consistency. Okay, so now let's get through the rules. Okay, so it's really simple. We're gonna use the market structure combined with the fib retracement. For the fib retracement, you will need these levels, so make sure to input them now. The 0, the 0.618, the 1, minus 0.618, and 0.764. Input them all like this, and we will need market structure, and we will look for this. Okay, so we will look for market structure on the 1 minute, and when price creates a higher high and then a higher low, we will enter on the retracement and we will do this. Okay, we will place the fib from the higher low to the higher high, and we will place our buy limit on the 61.8, stop loss below the 76.4, and take profit the minus 61.8 level. The same will go for sell opportunities, looking at lower highs and lower lows. So the rules are very simple. And also, personally, I decided to trade only between 8 a.m. and 10 a.m. my time. 10 a.m. is exactly when London opens. You can do the same. Make a plan when you want to trade, 2-3 hours per day. Make a plan, backtest the strategy, see if it works in that interval. And if it does, just stick to that plan every single day. Risk only a certain amount of percentage per trade. I would recommend 0.5%. Of course, you can use this strategy on your own personal account as well. There you can risk between 1 and 3% per trade. That's my personal opinion. So yeah, let's just get straight into some live backtesting. I'm going to use the bar replay. And let's get to the beginning of April. 1st of April was in a Friday, so let's actually use the 4th of April as our example. Let's go here, and boom. Now I'm gonna go to the 1 minute because it's 8 a.m. So we are gonna just start trading. Okay. So yeah, let's use the bar replay and follow market structure. Okay. Boom. So we created a lower low. Let's see if price retrace. We have a retracement, but then we created a new lower low. So let's see. So I would have placed my fib from this low to this low right here. As you can see, the price would have hit our sell limit. Oh, and the most important rule is when we are 1-to-1 in profit, we move the stop loss at break even. So don't forget to apply this rule. So we were here 1-to-1 in profit, so we would have moved our stop loss at break even. And as you can see, this trade went around 5R in profit, and then it reversed, getting us out at break even. So we didn't make money and we didn't lose money. Okay, now moving forward, we created bullish structure. Let's see if we have a setup. So we can draw our fib from this to the new higher high, which is here. Let's see if we can get a retracement. Let me draw the fib right here, and yep, we can. Now we got tapped in right here. We would place our stop loss right underneath and our take profit right here, which would give us a 8.5 R. So let's see where this goes. We are in profit now. We move the stop loss at break even. Let's see if this trade gonna get us some profits, and unfortunately it stopped us out at break even. So let's see. Okay, London opens. This will probably be our last setup. So what I'm gonna do here is actually play a double setup, which sounds weird, I know. So I would place a retracement from this level right here to this level, but it actually would have got us out, so we would have lost 0.5%. And now my second entry would be this one. Okay, so we are down 0.5% because we took a loss. And now my second entry would be this one, and this would be the last entry of today. Let's see if we can get the take profit. This would be the buy limit right here, take profit right here, to give us a 8.5. So let's see. And yep, this would have been a good setup. Let me move the here and place here. This would have been an 8R, because keep in mind you also got to give the spread a bit of room. And I didn't adjust the fib correctly. It was here. Okay, and now it's running in profit. Let's see if we smash the take profit with this one. And as you can see, the take profit was smashed right here. Let me redo the long position so you guys can see it better. So we would have entered right here. Stop loss would have been right on the 76.4 line, and take profit would have been right here, giving us a 7.5 R, which means a 3.8% minus the 0.5%. You would be up around 3.2% for the day using this strategy. So yeah, this is pretty much the strategy and how you guys can use it. Make sure to go and backtest it. Make a strict plan when you want to use it, between what hours you want to use it, between what sessions. Backtest it. As I said, you can use it on any pair you want. I just choose AUD USD for this video example. And this strategy works if you have a good risk management plan. If you respect all the rules I said, this strategy will work. You have to be very careful with the 1-to-1 rule. So once you see the price go 1-to-1 in profit, you just make sure to ensure the stop loss at break even and let it run risk free. If it decides to come back and stop you out, you just wait for a new setup to form. If it goes to your take profit, then happy days. Okay, the rules are really simple. We use market structure on the 1 minute. Then when we see structure forming, higher low, higher high, we place our fib accordingly, and then we place our buy limit. For the sell limit, it's the exact opposite. If you see lower highs and lower lows forming, we place the fib accordingly. We place the sell limit on the 61.8, stop loss at 76.4, and take profit at minus 61.8. When we go 1-to-1, we move stop loss at break even, and we only risk 0.5% per trade if it's on a prop firm. If it's on a personal account, you can risk 1%, 2%, or 3%, but make sure to stick to that risk management. Okay, don't risk 0.5 on a trade, and then on the next one you decide to risk 2% because this won't work, or you won't be consistent. And yeah, this is pretty much for the strategy. If you have any questions, make sure to drop them in the comment section. I think you guys will all understand it. I did my best to explain it as easy as possible. But of course, if you still have some unclarities, make sure to drop them in the comment section. I'll make sure to reply as fast as possible. And yeah, this was pretty much it for today's video. I hope you guys had a great day, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.